Do you too want to create videos like these?
This is unlike anything I've tried before. This is the power behind my workouts. It's my secret to strength.
Now these are ads I created for my clients, and you can do this just with the help of this Telegram bot. And I'm going to show you how to make this bot in a couple of minutes. It's no hassle, just a couple of plug and play things that you need to do. As you can see, I've made multiple videos like these, and not just like these, you can also create animated videos which you can later use in your content creation or maybe somewhere else, as you can see over here. So all you need to do is go to my free school community, search the title of this video in that community, and you will see a JSON file which you can just directly paste into your N8N, which would look something like this, as you can see. And to do this, you will need all of these things. There are only two things that you'll need, that is your Telegram API key and your file API key. Now, how does this work? Now, you send a message to your Telegram bot. For example, you send just a prompt like a cat wearing sunglasses, and then you can just paste that image or any image that you have and write a prompt over there. Make this into a dancing cat, and it will create that video for you, as you can see. So, for this to work, you'll need a Telegram bot. And how to make a Telegram bot? So you'll need to go to Telegram, web Telegram over here, and you'll need to go to Botfather. Then you'll need to start this, just a / and then start. Now, as I've already done this, I do not need to waste your time showing you this again. Then you will see something like this, new bots, my bots, etc. So click on new bots. When you click on new bots, they ask you to choose a name for your bot. Once you do that, now that name may not be now that name may not be available. It may be available or it may not. Now that name may not be available. So what you need to do is play around with names that might be available. Once you do that, just a sec. Yeah, once you do that, it will give you an API key like this. As you can see, this is the API key. Now you need to take that API key, go into your N8N, and to create a credential over here, you need to hit create new credential, and here's the access token. You'll just need to paste that API key, copy it over here as it is, and paste it over here. Then you're done. That's your new credential. Now another thing to keep in mind is the only things that you will need to change in this workflow are the ones with these red dots. Everything else, keep it as it is. So the next thing that you'll need is your file API key. Now, how can you see your file API key? You need to search file AI over here. A file is an model provider basically. There are various models that can create images, that can create videos. For example, Nano Banana. Then there's VEO. Then there is Kling. There's Sora. There are multiple. So file is basically a wholesaler of these models. All you need to do is just all you need to do is just click. All you need to do is just click over here. After it verifies that you are a human, I do not need to go through all of this. You are smart enough to create an account of your own. When you do that, you will see something like this. I do not need to show you how to make a new account. I think you are smart enough to do that. Then, as you can see, you'll see this page after making your account. Then what you'll need to do is you'll need to go into your account. Once you go over there, you'll see manage. Then click on API keys. Then hit on add an API key. Once you do that, when you hit create key, whatever the name of your key is, you'll need to keep the scope API add a description, whatever it is. Then after creating the key, you'll just need to copy it, as you can see over here. Now you'll need to copy it as soon as you get the key. I'm just gonna do it for the sake of the viewers. I'll just hit create key. Once you do create a key, this is the key, for example. You need to copy it and keep it safe, because this is the only time that you'll be able to see this key. After this, once you hit copy key and like hit this arrow, you will not be able to see that key ever. So save this somewhere safe. Maybe WhatsApp it to yourself, I don't know. You're smart enough. Once you do that, I'll just quickly delete the key because I will not need it anymore. After you do that, I want you to go into your N8N again, workflow. Then go here, hit create a credential, create. First you'll need to select header auth over here. There are many things over here, but you'll need to select header auth. Then create a credential, create new credential. Name will be authorization. Authorization, then value will be key. I'm extremely sorry for that. Okay. So name will be authorization, value will be key. Just hit key, then space, and then command V or control V, whatever it is. That you'll paste your key over here. So it will be KEY key, then a space, and then your API key. That will be your API key. Once you save it, you will create a credential. And do not forget to name it something. For example, fal1. Name them. A quick tip is to name your keys like fal1, fal2, or whatever. Fal my account, fal client 1 account, client 2, whatever it is. Name them accordingly so that when you check these out later, when you have clients, obviously you will because you're following me. When you have clients, everything else, you'll not mess up the keys. So once you have done this, what I need you to do is go on every spot that's red and then just click over it, and fal1 will automatically pop up. If it doesn't, just select fal over here. Again, it's fal. As you can see, almost everything is ready. Now the only thing that you'll need again is go into this node. This node is for analyzing the images that you send in your Telegram bot. So once you come over here, now this is made for me. So what I want you to do is, I want you to copy this and just change this little API key over here. Now this, you'll find this over here, what father will give to you. This, just copy it, and from what to here, just paste it over here. Okay, you'll need to write this thing, bot, and then paste your API key. That's it. That's all you'll need to do over here and over here as well. Here. Okay. So that's about it. That's the only things that you'll need to get this up and running. Once you are here, then everything is set up. You do not need to touch anything else. Just hit save and go into your Telegram bot that you have made. This is the bot that made. After you're done with this, just go into your bot, paste any prompt that you want, then you'll get an image. Paste that image again, and for example, let me just quickly add a photo or a video, an image, whatever it is. Let's say it's this image. For example, I open this image and add a caption, whatever you want. Once you add the caption, it will use that image as the reference image and that caption as a reference caption as the prompt, and it will make a video out of that. Okay. Now that's about it. That's the only thing that you need to know for creating all of the videos like this. As you can see, I've already done this. I think you can do this. It's not that hard. That's everything that you need to do. And then you have a bot, Telegram bot, that's making you videos, that's making you images, and you can just get up and make video ads for clients. Now another thing, this just popped out in my mind. Another thing is that this is not for free. Obviously, it's not free. What you'll need to do is you'll need to add credits over here. You will not have any credits. You'll need to add credits, because a rule of thumb is like images will cost you around 1 cent to 5 cents per image, and video will cost you, an 8-second video will cost you around 5 cents to $2. Sorry, 50 cents to $2, anything in that range. So you need to hit like quick buy or something like that. You need to add credits over here. Now I think you are smart enough to do this on your own. I do not need to like hold your hand, spoon feed you everything. So yeah, that's about it. That's the only thing that you need to know about this N8N Telegram bot. If you have any questions, please do write them in the comment section. I will do my due diligence to answer all of the questions. I'll also leave my WhatsApp number in the description so that you can reach out to me if needed, and I can help you out. Don't worry about it, guys. I'm there. So yeah, that's about it. See you in the next video. Bye. Thanks.